Hi guys, today I'm going to make a woodworks logo. So first of all, open it up illustrator and create a new artboard. Now press and hold control key and press R to open the rulers. Now click and drag the rulers to bring right middle of the artboard. Now lock this layer and go to new layer. Now go to ellipse tool. Press and hold alt and shift key together. Click and drag to make a circle. Fill the color and stroke. Now go to pen tool and make a shape like this. Now select the shape and go to rotate tool. Press and hold alt key and click right middle of the circle and set an angle of 15 degree and click on copy. Now press and hold control key and press D to make multiple copy of it. Now select the whole object and click on unite. Now again go to ellipse tool, press and hold alt and shift key together, click and drag to make a circle. And change the fill color. Now press and hold control key, press C and then press F. It's gonna make a copy and then paste at same place. Now remove the fill color. Now click and drag inside to make it smaller. Now again press and hold control key, press C and then press F. It's gonna make a copy and then paste at the same place. Now click and drag out to make it bigger and place it right middle of the other two circles. Now select the inner circle, change the color and make it white. Now go to pen tool, press and hold shift key and make a straight line like this. Now select the middle circle and click on these two intersect points. Now delete the straight lines. Now the circle will be intersecting into two pieces. Now select the upper part of the circle. Go to type tool, go type on the path tool and click on upper part of the circle. Now click and drag the left handle. Now go to text tool and select the whole text. Now go to type on a path and then type on a path option and just click on the center and click OK. Now select the whole text and go to character panel and increase the font size. Change the font style anyone you like it. And click on all caps. Now write logo title here. Now select the whole text and adjust font size. Now select the bottom part of the circle. Now go to type tool and type on a path tool and click on the bottom part of the circle. Click and drag the handle to the end and place it right in the middle. Now select the whole text and write your logo text here. Now select the whole text. Go to type on a path and then type on a path options. And from here select center and click on flip and then OK. Now go to character panel. Change the font style and increase the horizontal scale little bit. Now go to rectangle tool. Draw a small rectangle like this. Change the fill and stroke color. Now I'm going to draw the X. Just follow the steps. Now go to pen tool and draw shape like this. Now select the shape and go to smooth tool. Click, hold and drag on the edges. It's gonna make them smooth. Now again go to pen tool and draw the rest shape. Now again go to smooth tool. Click and drag on the edges. It's gonna make edges smooth. Now select the whole shape and click on unite. Now again go to pen tool and draw the edges. Now select the whole shape and again click on unite. Now go to pen tool and draw a curved line like this. Now by using selection tool, select that line and remove the fill color. Now select the whole shape, go to shape builder tool and change the fill color. Now again select the whole object, go to object, expand, click on OK and then right click and ungroup it. Click on unite Now change the fill color by using eyedropper tool. Remove the stroke. Now select the object, click and drag from the corner to rotate it. Now go to reflect tool, press and hold Alt key and click at the bottom, click on copy. Now select that object, click and drag and move closer to the other object. Now select both, press and hold Ctrl key and click on minus zoom out. Now click and drag to bring inside of that circle shape and place it right in the middle. Click and drag out to make it bigger. Now select the whole object, go to object, expand, click on OK and then right click and ungroup it. Now open the mockup file, double click on the top layer of that mockup file. It's going to open in a new window. Now go to Adobe Illustrator, select your logo, click drag and drop in that mockup file. Now press and hold Alt key, click and drag in to make it smaller and place it right at the middle of that file. Close that window. It's gonna ask you about saving, click on yes. Now your logo is ready in 3D mockup file. Thank you very much.